Hello, I'm Ms. Mary Reyes, and I'm here to tell you about how to use Quizlet. Quizlet is one of my favorite apps that I've run into. It's useful for students who want to study. It's useful for teachers who want to help students study. You can find Quizlet at Quizlet, Quizlet.com. There's also a version available for iPhones and for Androids. To set up your Quizlet account, click Sign Up and this box will pop up. I've already filled it out and looked at the Terms of Service and Privacy policy. So I just click Sign Up. At the home screen, you can create a study set or you can use one that's in place. I'm a big fan of not reinventing the wheel, so normally I'll search. So I could search here for, let's say, digital citizenship. Actually, just about anything I've ever searched on, I found a couple of decks or two. So the first button helps you learn things. It's just a matching game, multiple choice actually. And once you get through that, you can go and try the flashcards. See how well you're doing it. Click and flip. The next level is to write in a fill in the blank. That's going to be digital footprint, I think. If you spell it wrong and it's close, in fact, I said too much, so I'm right, so it counts it as right because I got it right. I like that there's different ways of learning and you can kind of step through from the easiest to the most difficult. Another neat feature is the spell feature. It just says type what you hear. Cyberbully. That said cyberbully, so I'm going to say cyberbully. Okay, Trinity Episcopal School Charlotte is the person who made this deck, so that's not going to work out for me. So I think I need to make a change to this. I'm going to go ahead and make a copy of this set and make changes so it matches what I want it to do. So I just say go ahead and copy, and it makes, let's call it 776. Okay, and we're gonna just, and it just gives me all the terms there, and I just need to make the change. So let's see, where do we have and I can go right to the one card that I want to change and write, change it to Dominican University. Dominican. You can also download it and upload it back in Excel form. And there we go. And separate. I think that's spelled wrong, so I can also fix the spelling somebody else put in there. Okay, so that's done. I can just say create. And now I've got this. It gives me a link to, I can share it on Google Classroom or on Remind if I want people to use it. It's actually pretty cool. I can add it to the class, but I haven't created any classes yet. If I had, I could add it. I'm going to sort my cards alphabetically, and then I can go through and look at my flashcards and see if the change took. So we've got that. Let's see. Here we go. Googling for our school without getting results for each term. Dominican University separately. Flip that, and you type Dominican University. So it's that easy to make changes to these decks. There's also a matching game. The only problem with that is kids sometimes start matching without actually reading what the things are. I've seen that done. But it's a little bit of a way to get the idea of how to play it, and there's a little bit of competition there. You're competing against yourself to see how quickly you can do your matches. Quizlet Live allows you to break your students into teams and have them work together to solve the puzzle. each student gets a different set of answers for the question. So on your team, there's only one person with the right answer. So guessing doesn't really help. And if you get something wrong, you go back to 0. So it's kind of incentive for the teams to work together to solve their problems and beat the other teams. It really satisfies the need that teens have for social interaction and, if you want them to sit together, movement. So that's a whirlwind tour of Quizlet Live. Let's take a look at your assignment. Here's your Quizlet assignment. So create a Quizlet.com account. Search on digital citizenship, or you can use this link. And then use the study options on the page and take the test. If you pay for the teacher version at $3 a month, you can actually get results back from your classes to see how they're doing on the quiz. So that's it for this lesson on Quizlet. I hope you find the tool as useful and easy to use as I did. Thank you for joining.